Welcome to the We Never Walk Alone video series. If you would like to know more about the history and development of We Never Walk Alone, the nationwide peer support and mental health professional network for law enforcement, please check out the video entitled We Never Walk Alone, Stronger Together in the We Never Walk Alone video series. Today's tutorial will go over the user's manual. The first thing to note is that your login credentials will work on both the website, WeNeverWalkAlone.org, and the mobile apps, but we highly recommend the officers use the mobile apps as they allow you to call a peer supporter or mental health professional directly from your phone. If you have not already done so, please download the app from either the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. You can also use the QR scan code sheet given to your department. You can access the We Never Walk Alone resources through mobile apps, the iOS app for iPhones, the Android app for Google phones, or through our website, WeNeverWalkAlone.org. In today's tutorial, we are only going to discuss how to use the iOS app. The app for the Android works very much the same as the iPhone app. The website is mostly useful for department administrators and/or peer support coordinators that are managing their respective departments' We Never Walk Alone roster. The website is also the only place where peer supporters can set their availability status. Remember, the login credentials for the website and the mobile apps are the same. Locate the We Never Walk Alone blue heart logo and launch the app. Enter your work email address, password, and log in. Once you have logged in, you will notice three icons in the darker blue field. The first tab on the left is for the mental health professionals, MHPs. The middle tab, marked ERs, is for external resources. The right tab, labeled PSOs, is the Peer Support Officers tab. Let's go over how to use the Mental Health Professionals tab. First, click on the Select a State box. Then scroll through the list until you find the state you need and press Done. There are mental health professionals across the United States who are available should you be on vacation, a remote assignment, or retired. Next, click the Professionals Selector box to find a mental health professional who provides the services you are looking for. Scroll through the list, pick a professional, and press Done when you have made your selection. Please note that a green dot will appear beside the professional's name if they are available to talk. The red dot indicates that they are not available at this time. Upon making your selection, a profile will appear with the professional's picture, name, contact number, location, specializations, and the insurance providers that are accepted. Simply tap on the phone number, and the call or cancel button will appear. Please note that all of our vetted mental health professionals are available 24/7 and are committed to helping our officers. They have proven experience handling law enforcement specific needs. Next, let's take a look at the Peer Support Officers tab. First, you will need to click on the Select a Department box. Scroll through the list of departments, make your selection, and then press Done. Then click on the Select an Officer box. You may then scroll through the trained peer supporters within that department. Make your selection and press Done. Again, the green dot will show that the officer is available to talk, while the red dot indicates they are not available. Note that peer supporters can take personal time off, and so all the supporters may not be available all the time. Once you have selected the peer supporter, details about the officer will appear, telling you the number of years they have been a peer supporter, the number of years as a law enforcement officer, the languages they speak, and the areas in which they feel comfortable giving support. Simply tap on the officer's name or picture, and the call or cancel buttons will appear. Finally, the middle tab labeled ERs for external resources connects you with organizations or studies that may be of help to you or your families. These are the resources that are not as changeable. Just tap on the links to be connected to the external websites. Most of our external resources are now on Facebook, since news is changing so quickly, and it's easier to share relevant news from organizations and nonprofits that are relevant for your members. Our handle is at WeNeverWalk, capital ALO 4. So please like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.